Reversible hard jaws sets from Dillon chuck jaws offer unique features which reduce setup times, provide better chuck balances, and offer longer jaw life. These jaws save you money and are delivered quickly. Standard hard jaws are ideal for general-purpose first operation turning with capabilities to grip a range of diameters. Hard jaws are subjected to very high stresses, and it is of great importance that suitable material is used. Our hard jaws are made of 8620 alloy steel, heat-treated, providing Dillon customers with hard jaws that have improved impact and stress resistance and longer overall jaw life. Dillon Manufacturing's hard jaws feature diamond-shaped serrations designed to be low to the chuck for a more stable grip and an increased pull-down effect, which in turn reduces part slippage and pushback if a bar feeder is being used. These diamond-shaped serrations are also ideal for cast parts, scaly parts, or parts with imperfections. The diamond-shaped serrations are designed to bite into stock to produce a more stable grip and allow for heavier cuts. Let us show you how Dillon chuck jaws can increase your productivity and save you time. Our special hard jaws are available in the following forms: serrated hard jaws, tongue and groove hard jaws, Acme serrated hard jaws, square serrated hard jaws, and our new line of claw jaws that transfer maximum torque for increased feed rates, depth of cut, and faster machining times. And Dillon claw jaws fit all common chucks. Feel free to reach out to our team with any questions about these models.